Thank you for watching. Leave us a like, subscribe, and better footage of the trails coming. Just need to get some few things and we are all set. So stick around. Please like and subscribe. Okay, just got the bike all ready, lubed up, water bottle, track. Oh gosh, yeah, I need to get my helmet on. But look at me, I'm ready to go for a ride. Who wants to join me? Let's go ride. Catching some zebra. Gotta be careful. Braking with just the front. I'm going to snap the brake too hard and go over the handlebars. That's the zebras. Hi guys. Paved road before we get to the real stuff. And then the camera's going to have to go away. Short little section through like a wooded area. And then across the bridge shortly. I just need to make sure I'm 100% set up to go over there. I've fallen down before, but that's because it was wet. Really cool section here. So, 20 minutes in, 4.75 k's. I just climbed from the bottom of the hill down there. Can't really see so well. Got up to that section I called the old thatch house now. Massive thatch house, abandoned for whatever reason. Inside's been stripped out. Yeah. I wonder if there's any ghosts there. What do you people think? Should I go and have a look one night? Might be a bit tricky with the jackals around and hyenas here too. I suppose there's a leopard staying up in that mountain there. So yeah, not a good idea. But yeah, my trusty bike. Gotta love her. Taking me 20 miles already. K's, miles. And that's me, fully dressed this time. Just now I didn't have my glasses on or my helmet. Safety first, people, safety first. Lovely view from on top, yeah. Oops, that's where I'm going. Anyway. Keep track that we're driving and riding on. One of the highest points in the whole park here. Hardly any animals up here today. Normally there's quite a few. Today, sorry guys, limited.